Welcome back, everybody. My name is Josh Zuniga, your local real estate specialist here within the Phoenix and Scottsdale and Peoria area. And if you guys are looking for a new wonderful community, you want to take a look at Aloravita North, and right to my left over here, you're going to see DR Horton. DR Horton is offering floor plans from 1,900 square feet all the way up to 3,300. They have single level and 2 stories, and they have mountain views. Beautiful, beautiful mountain views. Some of the best I've seen in Peoria, but we're going to take you here on the first model, so follow me on the inside. All right, guys, the first model we're standing in front of is going to be the Tamaron. We're at 2,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, a single level, and this is by far one of my favorite interior designs that DR Horton has to offer in this area, so follow me on the inside. If you like what you've seen so far, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I want to make sure I continue to bring you all these community videos and make sure I give you an inside look on all the new builds and all the communities here within Phoenix, Peoria, and Scottsdale, Arizona. As we are standing in front of the second model, we are standing in front of the Merville, which is almost 3,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4-bath, 2-story, and a 4-car garage. Now, if you live in Arizona, if you live in Peoria, there's a lot of toys here, whether you're having your boat, your RV, or whether you're even having a side-by-side, this is definitely a floor plan you want to consider for all of your toys. One inside. Really want to consider moving to Peoria, I want to give you some key features on why Peoria is going to be the right fit for you. If you're one of those individuals that loves to be outdoors, I have a great news for you. We are located 20 minutes away from Lake Pleasant, so if you want to do anything that has to do with your Sea-Doo or your boat or your houseboat, we're literally 20-minute drive and you can have all the fun that you can have here. If you need time to actually get a boat slip, they have the option and the opportunity to actually do there. They have wonderful restaurants actually at the harbors there as well. And if you're looking to do one of those side-by-sides, if you have a Razor, or if you have like Can-Am like me, Peoria is one of the best places you can do it. You see them riding all over the streets here. I personally drive mine from my garage out to the desert. We have a great time. It's full of family fun. We bring the kids out and we have a bunch of wonderful adventures that we do all the time. And if you're looking for some job opportunity, we do have TSMC that's going to be the chip factory. That is going to be an additional 5 to 10 years worth of growth. It's a $40 billion project that's going to bring so much economic growth to the city of Peoria, not only in commercial, but also industrial and residential. The city of Peoria is actually in the discussions right now to actually buy land from the state so we can actually give those out to builders and we can actually do some more renovations and bring up the city of Peoria even further because it's already doing amazing things and we already have some amazing restaurants that are coming over here. Speaking of that, if you want to be next to the Four Corners, which is actually Lake Pleasant and Happy Valley, that's where you're going to have all your major stores from your Home Depot to your Lowe's to your Target, and you're going to have access to all your restaurants there, all your fine shopping, and it's going to be fantastic. So this is definitely going to be a wonderful location if you want to stay 5 to 20 minutes away from all the action and all the excitement. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you want some detailed information, make sure you look in the description below. We're gonna give you pricing, we're gonna give you floor plans, and I have an additional bonus for you. So if you wanna meet with Brooke or if you wanna meet with Sabri here at the sales office, make sure to let them know that Josh sent you, because we're gonna have an additional incentive for you and we're gonna help you out with your closing costs. It's gonna come from me directly, and I wanna let you know exactly what that is. But if you wanna reach out to me personally, you can go to info@joshzuniga.com. Again, info@joshzuniga.com. All the information is in the description below. Can't wait to speak with you, can't wait to meet you in person, and we'll see you on the next video and next community. Take care.